Hi everybody, this is Simone from the Office of E-Learning and Instructional Support at Oakland University. In this video, you'll learn what the ePortfolio system is, where you go to access it, and what it can do for you. First of all, let's take a look at what the ePortfolio system is. ePortfolio is a space on the internet where any student, faculty, or staff member can build their own personal website. How you use it is up to you, but most people use it to post things like important academic work and resumes. The portfolio is secure and that an outside user must input a special code which you provide in order to see your site. Your portfolio is built around Moodle, so it will be familiar to those of you who have used Moodle for online courses. Many of the same tools that are available in Moodle are also available in the portfolio. Now let's take a look at how to log into ePortfolio. To access your ePortfolio, open up a web browser and visit portfolio.oakland.edu. This will take you to a login screen where you can log in using your NetID username and password. This is the same as your email name and password. Once you're logged in, you'll immediately notice a number of announcements on the right side of the window. It's useful to read these as they often contain important information as well as links to helpful resources. Within the dashboard, you'll see a list of ePortfolios to which you are privileged. In almost all cases, you will only see one entry titled Your Name, Career, ePortfolio. So in my case, it says Simone Amalio-Kleba, Career ePortfolio. Just click on that to enter the portfolio. If this is the first time you've entered your ePortfolio, this is what you'll see. The standard template that all ePortfolios start off with. One of the most important things on the screen is on the right. This message here tells you what your enrollment key is. The enrollment key is the special code you'll give to outside users so they can view your portfolio. We'll talk more about this in a later video. Another thing to be aware of is a list of links along the top of the window. These lead you back to the previous screens and are known as breadcrumbs. If I click on a portfolio, it leads me back to the main portfolio screen. Using these becomes essential for navigating through your portfolio when you start adding many layers of items. In the middle of the window, you'll see the content area. This is where everything you post will appear. You will almost certainly want to delete the default information that appears there. We'll get to that in the next video too. Finally, in the upper right is a link that allows you to edit your portfolio and another one to log out. So when you want to log out, you just click on that. Let's do a quick review of what we've discussed so far. Your portfolio is a personal web space available to all faculty, staff, and students. The portfolio is typically used to showcase your work and post things like resumes. Only people with a special code, your enrollment key, can view your ePortfolio. ePortfolio is built around the Moodle course management system. You can log into your ePortfolio at portfolio.oakland.edu using your NetID and password. Finally, every portfolio starts out with the same template, which you will probably want to change. That's all for now, but stay tuned for the next video where we will talk about setting up your ePortfolio.